The live cost of Theta organization is $20,230,2137. Theta cost could hit a limit of $40 toward the finish of 2024. Theta organization cost with a potential flood could go as high as $831 toward the finish of 2030. Theta organization is a creative stage that plans to work for the streaming area. By giving specialized and financial answers for decentralized video real-time, Theta organization boosts the clients who hand off recordings on the stage on their extra data transmission. Theta's cost rally had caused a commotion in 2021. The altcoin displayed a great cost flood by acquiring than 300% development, and with the bull go around the bend, Theta is anticipated to accomplish new high in the approaching time. Financial backers and brokers are excited about Theta's convention and are confident of a bullish spike from now on. Might it be said that you are thinking about it for your portfolio? Look no further as we interpret Theta's cost expectation for 2024 and the years to come. Theta value expectation February 2024. The Theta organization cost exchanged a solidified reach somewhere in the range of $10.65 and $10.52 for some time, following which the bears overwhelmed the bulls and the cost encountered a separate. After this, the Theta token made different endeavors to break out of the opposition level, however over and over fizzled, bringing about it exchanging sideways for some time. As the market unpredictability expanded, the bulls recovered energy and effectively broke out of the obstruction level, where it was seen exchanging a united reach for the following 11 days. Following this, the Theta organization cost exchanged between a restricted space for about 7 days, demonstrating a cool-off from the cost activity which the token had encountered. From that point forward, the cost has been continually exchanging under a rising example, featuring areas of strength for an impact in the crypto space. The specialized marker MACD shows a green histogram, demonstrating an expansion in the purchasing strain inside the market. Further, the midpoints show a steady ascent, recommending the cost will keep acquiring esteem in the approaching time. On the off chance that the market pushes the cost over the obstruction level of $204, the bulls will recover energy and plan to test its furthest restriction of $300 this month. Alternately, assuming the bears overwhelm the bulls, the Theta cost will lose energy and tumble to test its lower support level of $113 in the forthcoming weeks. Theta crypto value expectation 2024. Theta could find the stars leaning in support of its assuming that the group behind the venture held hands for basic coordinated efforts and appropriations. The invasion of huge cash financial backers holds the possibility to pull Theta to more up-to-date tops. Optimistically, Theta's cost could chug up to a pricier tag of $40 by the yearly exchange conclusion of 2024. Oppositely, neglecting to stand consistent with its assumptions could clear a path for liquidations, because of which Theta could track down its help at $1.18. Thus, the lack of energizing occasions could prompt the yearly conclusion at $0.74. Theta organization Theta value forecast 2025. In the following 3 years, on the off chance that Theta plans for new joint efforts and associations with prestigious associations, the cost could flood considerably. On the off chance that the organization acquires enormous prominence toward the finish of 2025, the cost could climb to $0.98. Assuming that Theta stays chipping away at new updates and upgrades and hasn't carried anything to work, then the cost could exchange on normal at $0.45. Theta has its ICO extremely private and brought together, which is representing an adverse consequence on the organization. On the off chance that Theta doesn't deal with working on this and adheres to the ongoing introductory coin trade component, it could lose a critical flood probability and could try and tumble to a base figure of $0.92. Theta value expectation 2026. As per estimate costs and specialized examination, the cost of Theta is projected to arrive at least $256 in 2026. The most extreme cost could hit $384, with a typical cost of around $320. Theta value expectation 2027. Anticipating 2027, Theta cost is anticipated to arrive at a low of $317, with a high of $488 and a typical cost of $4075. Theta value forecast 2028. In 2028, the cost of a solitary Theta organization is expected to arrive at least $416, with a limit of $623 and a typical cost of $5195. Theta value expectation 2029. By 2029, the cost of Theta could arrive at least $566, with the possibility to hit a limit of $709 and a normal of $6275. Theta value forecast 2030. In 2030, Theta organization Theta is anticipated to contact its most minimal cost at $674, hitting a high of $8.31 and a typical Theta cost of $7.525. Theta value forecast. As indicated by figured-out Theta cost expectation, a solid organization base like Samsung VR can drive Theta to better levels. Furthermore, on the off chance that the Theta network chips away at its better security and accomplices with Goliaths, then we can anticipate new improvements and decreased expenses on Theta. Assuming this occurs, the cost of the Theta token will radically rise and could hit $0.40 toward the finish of 2024. Nonetheless, assuming the task stays being worked on before long, financial backers might pull out from the organization due to expanding FUD. In such a case, the cost could hit a low of $1.08. What is the Theta coin? The Theta coin is a utility badge of the Theta organization established by Mitch Liu and G.E. Long in 2018. The group held a confidential symbolic deal and sold 30% of 1 billion Theta coins, raising $20 million. The coin can be marked by the validator hubs or gatekeeper hubs. It likewise permits hubs to approve exchanges, produce blocks, vote on the advancement of the organization, and furthermore procure tfuel as remunerations. The organization clients can download the Authority Theta wallet to hold or stake Theta and tfuel tokens. The wallet is likewise fueled by a micropayment framework. The one empowers the substance watchers and makers to send and get the tokens. The organization follows the verification of stake instrument, which is likewise called staggered BFT by them. Be that as it may, why is this so extraordinary? It lies in the way that, dissimilar to the evidence of work, this agreement technique works at a higher speed. Theta accomplishes fast speed by restricting the hub clients. Basic examination. While many can't help thinking about what is the contrast among Theta and tfuel, here is the response placed down in more straightforward words. The Theta token is the administration badge of the organization. It includes the marking system, where the clients will procure a benefit as the other local token. Theta fuel is the utility token and furthermore a gas token. tfuel chips away at numerous endeavors in the Theta organization. It is additionally offered as impetuses to clients who share their additional data transfer capacity or registering power for video transfers. While most crypto monsters have just a solitary token or coin, many can't help thinking about what's the motivation behind the second token in an organization. The coming of tfuel ensured the Theta token has a key and explicit capability, just which is marking. Then again, in the event that the organization didn't present tfuel, an optional token. Throughout some time, Theta tokens will lose the flowing stock since they are engaged with marking. In any case, since the organization depends on real-time excellent recordings, a fluid token is important. That was the excellent justification for why a double symbolic framework handled its foot in the Theta organization. Theta coin started its exchange mid-2018 with under $2. The cost anyway spiked above